Trauma 5 and Trauma 6, sterile dressings available in 2 sizes, designed for larger wounds. Made with double-sewn layers in Cellosoft material, the dressings provide high absorption while remaining low adherent to the wound. Trauma 5, 20 by 30 centimeters. The packaging is durable yet soft, with an easy open design and no hard plastic components that can break in cold conditions. Apply the dressing directly over the wound, and secure with an additional bandage if needed. Trauma 6, 30 by 50 centimeters, designed for larger injuries. The same easy open packaging ensures quick access. Apply the dressing directly over the wound, and secure with an additional bandage if needed. Both Trauma 5 and Trauma 6 are also suitable for burn injuries. Produced in Sweden, with raw materials sourced from within the EU. The same proven features, available in 2 sizes for different needs.